There is an app that might help diagnose the problem with your car before you
wait
go.
to see this.
It's called Fixed, and basically you plug it into a little socket on your car, it connects to your phone, and it will tell you exactly what that light means.
We are going to tell you about an app that could save you thousands of dollars before you head to the dealership. This is what I need.
Fixed claims to translate your car problems into simple, understandable terms, but does it work?
I know I have something wrong with my truck. Sure enough, an error code for catalyst efficiency came up. It also explained what a catalytic system was used for and gave an estimated cost for repair. Fixed, you pass.
You have come up with something absolutely amazing that anybody can find out the problem with their car just by using your creation here.
Fixed can tell you that there's about 7,000 different problems going on in your car, and even the problems that don't trigger a check engine light.
I think it's a great app. It's something that the owner of the car can actually diagnose themselves and have an idea what's going on.
And an estimated repair shop cost should help consumers.
I got to ask you this big question. Does it work?
Yes, it works. What a fantastic product.
Are you tired of being ripped off by shady mechanics? Click the link below to check it out.